Thank you to Bespoke Post for sponsoring this video. I wanted to try turning my first hollow vessel, so I started with this piece of redwood burl from my hometown. I cut a recess in the bottom to help it sit flat, but also as a tenon for my lathe chuck. I'm using the same technique from my last video to mark my signature with a letter punch in my drill chuck. I started turning the main shape of the vessel, but really didn't have a plan. I guess you could say I was just freestyling here. I used CA glue to stabilize some of the voids before sanding it smooth. Once again, I'm using this same water-based wood turners finish. I build up several coats, which only take about 3 to 5 minutes to dry, sanding in between each one. And finally, I polish with hard beeswax. With the bottom done, I removed the bowl screw and turned it around to place the tenon I made in the chuck. Then it was time to start hollowing out the inside, starting with a Forstner bit. I was excited to try out this curved carbide hollowing tool that Rockler sent me. Whoops. Whoa. Okay. Went a little too far. That sucks. It's not like this stuff just grows on trees.
Bespoke Post is a monthly membership club, delivering awesome boxes of top-shelf goods from under-the-radar brands. Even though each box only costs $45, they're packed with over $70 in value, so you can discover cool new products and emerging brands. They include everything from home and bar, to outdoor gear, to style picks, and even useful advice every month to help you step up your life in all kinds of ways. The box lineup changes every single month, and you always have the option to skip a month or even exchange a box hassle-free. Ooh, craft mixer. Simple syrup. All right, I see where we're going with this. Some ginger ale, cocktail mixer, apple cider vinegar, camping patio lights, wax canvas roll-up, face oil, and that is a sweet bottle of hot sauce. All right, let's check this out. Oh man, that's good. One more. Survival knife. Oh man, this looks nice. Whoa, I think I saved the best for last. This thing is beautiful. All right, so in this box, you've got some hot sauce, you've got a full-on cocktail kit, some personal grooming accessories, a little bit of atmosphere for the campsite, this rad knife, and something to carry your cocktail supplies in. Just an all-around excuse to go out into the wilderness or even into your backyard and just chill and have a good time. Thanks again to Bespoke Post for sponsoring my channel. There's a link in the description, and I have a promo code Blake20 so that you can get 20% off your first box.
All right, let's try this again. This time with a block of maple. The thing about starting over again after a failed attempt is that you can do everything better the next time. Starting with drilling the hole for the bowl screw on a drill press so it actually goes in straight. And speaking of doing things better on a second attempt, this time when I started turning the main shape, I actually had a plan instead of just winging it. All right, let's try this again. I can't really show you the thickness or evenness of the outer wall, but I can tell you that this time I nailed it. A huge thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon for encouraging me to go out into the shop late at night after the kids are in bed and produce these videos. If you want to join the club, get access to my SketchUp files, t-shirts, stickers, and other merchandise, or see your name at the end of these videos, just find me on Patreon. See you later.